already moving on an interdict to stop the university from shutting down residencies. There is no way in which vets will operate up until the big silent majority is entertained. Comrades, we represent the bigger silent majority. We represent those who are at home. We represent those abasemachochambeni, those who can't get here. That's the bigger silent majority. There is no amount of intimidation, police brutality that will stop. Comrades, the black academics are here as a human shield. Comrades, this is a black pain revolution. Yes. We are restoring the dignity of a black child. That's why you have advocates, you have poets, you have black academics with us here.